Next question, A1 first term is given, A6 sixth term is given, and you have to find out to A2, A3, A4 and A5. Okay, how to find out such values? Okay, very simple question. If you want to find out A2 and A3, A4 and A5, okay, A2 means A plus 1D, that means A plus D, and A3, 3 means 3 minus 1, 2, so A3 means A plus 2D, A4 means A plus 4 minus 1, that means 3D, and A plus 5 minus 1, 4D. So if you want to find out A2, A3, A4, A5, you should know two values. They are A and D. Okay, do you have such values? We don't have. How to find such values? Already the first term is given, that is A1. A1 equal to A equal to, that equal to minus 4. Okay, we got A value already. Now we have to find out D. How? One clue is there, that is A6. A6, that means sixth term, that is A plus 5D equal to 6. So A6 equal to 6 already given. So already we know the value of A equal to minus 4, substitute it. So minus 4 plus 5D equal to 6. This is minus 4. After transposition, it becomes plus 4. So 5D equal to 6 plus 4, that equal to 10. But what do you want? We want to find both A and D. Already we know the value of A. We have to find out D. So 5D means 5 into D. So D equal to 5 is multiplication quantity. After transposition, it becomes division. So 10 by 5 means that equal to 2. We got both A and D values. Now we have to substitute them. Okay. So here A2 means A plus D. So therefore A2 equal to A plus D. A minus 4 plus D equal to 2. So minus 4 plus 2, that equal to minus 2. And next one A3. A3 equal to A plus 2D. A minus 4 plus 2 into D equal to 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. That equal to 0. And next one A4. A4. A minus 4 plus 3 into D equal to 2. Okay, minus 4. 3 2s are how much? 6. 6 minus 2 equal to 2. Next one A5. A plus 4D. A minus 4 plus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus 4, that equal to 4. Okay, so second term minus 2, third term 0, fourth term 2, and fifth term is 4. Next question, second term A2 is given, that is 38, and A6 is given, that is minus 22. Find out A1, A3, A4 and A5. So if you want to find A1 equal to A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1, 2D. If you want to find out A4 equal to A plus 3D, 4 minus 1, 3D, and A5 equal to A plus 4D. So if you want to find out these four values, you should know A and D also. Okay, but here A is not given and D is also not given. How to find out such two values? Okay, some clues are there. What is that? A2 and A6. With the help of such two terms, we have to find out A and D first. Okay, so A2 second term, that means A plus 2 minus 1, that means D equal to 38. Let us take 1. And A6 means A plus 6 minus 1, and equal to how much? 6. 6 minus 1, 5D equal to minus 22. Okay, now we have to solve 1 and 2. Okay, now you write the biggest term first, 5d. A plus 5d equal to minus 22, and the smallest one, a plus d equal to 38. Okay, first of all you have to eliminate one of the variable a or d. Okay, you subtract this second equation and first one, and you get one of the value like d. So subtract it. So plus a minus a cancel. Okay, if you use subtraction, you change the second expression signs, already you know. So minus a minus d minus 38. So 5d minus 1d, that means 4d is equal to minus 22 minus 38, totally minus 60. Minus 60. Okay, so d equal to minus 60. Here 4 is multiplication of transposition, division. Okay, 4 1s are 4 15s, that equal to minus 15. D equal to minus 15. So with the help of this d value, we have to find out a value. Okay, now substitute d equal to minus 15 in any one of the equation, easiest one, first one in equation number 1, that equal to a plus d equal to 38. A plus d equal to how much? Minus 15 equal to 38. This is minus 15 of transposition plus 15. So 38 plus 15. So totally 53. How much? 53. 8 plus 5, 13. 1 is there. 4 plus 1, 5. 53. Okay, now we have to find out A1, A3, A4 and A5. A, how much? 53. Next, A3, A plus 2D. A, 53 plus 2 into D, D equal to minus 15. So 53 minus 15 to the 30. That equal to 23. Okay, next one, A4. A, 53 plus 3 into minus 50. So 53 minus 45. 53 is a 45 minus 45. That equal to 8. 53 minus 45 equal to 8. And A5, A, 53 plus 4 into D minus 50. So 53 minus 15 4 is 60. So positive quantity into negative quantity, negative quantity. So 53 minus 60, that equal to minus 7. Minus 7. So already we have found the values of A1 53, A3 23, A4 8 and A5 equal to minus 7. Okay.